snow apocalypse.
Running
You got yourself a Ford F-150 4x4 stuck the fuck on the road. No idea how he did that.
Got all these people trying to get gas.
These people, they got stuck. They either abandoned their car or they're trying to get gas. We out here in this little hatchback, Mazda 2, 2014. We got cars out here left and right, trucks, everything. We out here in two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. Out here on 435. Diesel tanker said, fuck it, I'm not going downhill. Shit, I need the momentum. When you decide the on-ramp's a little too dangerous, then you gotta back down on the highway.
You can't park there.
You can't park there, dude! Snow apocalypse. Abandoned cars everywhere. Be careful, y'all. There's 4-foot snow drifts. Temperature is 14 degrees. It feels like -2. We are in Kansas City, Missouri. About 2 minutes from downtown. Next exit, you can hit Arthur Bryant's if you want, but I'm sure they're closed. Sorry about that horrible sound. It's the only way to keep the windshield clean. Y'all be careful. It's still snowing a little bit, not as heavy as it was. Minor snow still going though. Blizzard-like conditions though. Y'all think I'm crazy for driving, but if you don't know how to drive in this shit, you ain't gonna learn how to drive in this shit. America. We call it an on-ramp because that's as far as you'll make it on the ramp. First world problems. What do you expect when you hit a drift like that?
Hey, you can't park there.
Can't park there, bro! Damn, Casey, y'all just leave big old snow piles in the middle of the road. Real nice.